Hi, I'm going to show how to use your DOSBox simulator and 8086 assembler to run your NASM programs. So in my given link you can find the DOSBox simulator. You can download that. And I have provided even 8086 assembler as a zip file. You can download this also. These are the necessary things which we have to download. So let me extract the content in my 8086 assembler. So you can find here a folder 8086. Just copy this to the drive where you want to load the software. I have made up my mind to load my software in F:/MP lab work. So let me paste this here. And let me install this DOSBox emulator. I want to load all my files in F drive. So let me change the folder name to F drive. And click install. Installation is complete. Now let me go to the F drive. So let me run this application. So there is a virtual drive Z drive from which I have to move my local drive where I want to save up all my programs is my F drive. So let me change that as an F drive. So it is mount. So whatever be your drive, give your drive symbol. Okay, if it is the C drive, press C. If it is your F drive, press F. If it is your E drive, press E. Now I am using F drive, so it is F. And the path where I am going to access all my softwares, that is, you have to give the full path of your 8086. So it is under F:/MP lab_work. Inside this I have 8086 folder. So let me copy that and paste it. So you can see here drive F is mounted as local directory. Now you can change your directory to F drive. So let me create a program in a notepad. So I will use the program which I have given in the link. So this is a small program to print a text hello. So let me copy this and paste it in the notepad. I want all my content to be saved in 8086 folder. So it shows the path F:/MP lab work 8086. So here let me save my file. I'll give it as program 1. You have to give the extension as .asm. Now you can run your program by giving the command. You can start compiling your functions. NASM file name .asm. You can see it asks for the OBJ and the netlist files, all that to be created. If there are any errors you have, then the errors and warnings will be promoted here. There's no error, and so it shows that 0 warning errors and 0 severe errors. So you can see that now an OBJ file has been created. So let me use the next command to link the files that is link, then followed by your file name. So now the executable file will be created and the necessary libraries. So now I can see that program1.exe is been created. So let me just run my program by giving only the program name. So program1. So if I give, I automatically get the message, it is hello. So if you want to debug any program, you have got another commands like debug followed with the file name, which will show step by step and what are all the registers content modifications, so which you can carry out. And there are more command details which I have given in the tutorial material. Just please go through that. Thank you.